Discover the best acute myeloid leukemia (AML) treatment options in India, including types, procedures, costs, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Learn about the latest advancements in healthcare for AML patients and how they are transforming lives. Find out everything you need to know about AML treatment in India in this comprehensive guide. Acute myeloid leukemia (AML) is a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow, causing rapid growth of abnormal white blood cells. In recent years, India has emerged as a hub for cutting-edge AML treatment, offering a wide range of procedures, therapies, and facilities to combat this life-threatening disease. In this guide, we will explore the best AML treatment options in India, including types, procedures, costs, success rates, and inspiring success stories from the healthcare industry. Understanding acute myeloid leukemia (AML). Before delving into the specifics of AML treatment in India, let's first understand the basics of this aggressive form of leukemia. What is AML? AML is a type of cancer that originates in the bone marrow and rapidly spreads to the bloodstream. It affects the production of normal blood cells, leading to a proliferation of abnormal white blood cells. Symptoms of AML: fatigue, frequent infections, easy bruising or bleeding, shortness of breath, unexplained weight loss. Types of AML treatment in India. India offers a comprehensive range of treatment options for AML patients tailored to individual needs and medical conditions. Here are some of the most common types of AML treatment available in India. 1. Chemotherapy. Procedure. Chemotherapy involves the use of powerful drugs to kill cancer cells in the body. It can be administered orally or intravenously. Cost. The cost of chemotherapy in India varies depending on the type of drugs used and the duration of treatment. On average, a full course of chemotherapy can range from $6,000 to $20,000. Success rate. Chemotherapy has shown promising results in inducing remission in AML patients, with success rates varying based on individual response to treatment. 2. Bone marrow transplant (BMT). Procedure. BMT is a procedure where diseased bone marrow is replaced with healthy stem cells from a compatible donor. Cost. BMT is a complex and expensive procedure, with costs in India ranging from $23,000 to $35,000 or more, depending on the type of transplant and post-operative care required. Success rate. BMT offers a high success rate in curing AML, particularly in cases of high-risk or relapsed disease. 3. Targeted therapy. Procedure. Targeted therapy involves the use of drugs that specifically target cancer cells, sparing normal cells from damage. Cost. The cost of targeted therapy in India can vary based on the specific drugs used and the duration of treatment. Prices typically range from $6,000 to $20,000. Success stories from AML patients in India. Case study: Mr. Edward. Mr. Edward, a 45-year-old AML patient from Zimbabwe, underwent a successful bone marrow transplant at a renowned hospital in Delhi. Despite the initial challenges, including finding a compatible donor and navigating the complexities of the procedure, Mr. Edward is now in remission and leading a healthy life. Case study: Ms. Hannah. Ms. Hannah, a 32-year-old AML patient from Uzbekistan, opted for a combination of chemotherapy and targeted therapy at a leading cancer center in Gurgaon. With the dedicated support of her medical team and her family, Ms. Han achieved complete remission and is now advocating for awareness about AML treatment options in India. In conclusion, India stands at the forefront of AML treatment, offering world-class facilities, expert medical professionals, and a holistic approach to cancer care. By staying informed about the latest treatment options and seeking timely medical intervention, AML patients in India can pave the way towards recovery and renewed hope for a healthier future. Remember, early detection and proactive treatment are key to overcoming AML. Stay informed, stay positive, and never lose hope in the face of adversity. Let's fight AML together, one step at a time. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.